Hey guys, what's up? Today is an exciting video because if you didn't know, I made it into the top 30 of the 2019 NYX Face Awards hosted by NYX Professional Makeup, and they sent me this big old box right here full of goodies. So I'm going to be unboxing this right now and I am so freaking excited. If you don't know what the Face Awards are, it's a makeup competition hosted by NYX Professional Makeup, and I was lucky enough to make it into the top 30, and I'm so excited and honored, and I literally cried on the phone when I got the call. I'm so embarrassing, but yes, I'm gonna open this box now. Congratulations, your understanding, creativity, and artistry earned you a spot in the 8th Annual Face Awards Top 30. We can't wait to see what you create in the first challenge. I'm gonna frame this. This one says, we hope you enjoy these goodies brought to you by NYX Professional Makeup and our amazing sponsors. They're sponsored by Target, Vichy, and Epidemic Sound. This is from Target. Congratulations for earning a spot in the 2019 Face Awards Top 30 from your sponsor, Target. I'm so excited. So what is this right here? This is from Vichy Laboratories. There is a one-step cleansing micellar solution. This is a hydrator and daily skin booster, some facial wipes, and some facial spray. And then there's like a bunch of these. They're all labeled. So this one is labeled face. Oh my gosh. How do I even grab this out? Okay, so we have Sweet Cheeks blushes. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. All of these. A cheek tint. A bunch of concealers. Oh my gosh. The Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. Holy crap. Wow. Some highlighters. More blush. This is insane. Oh my gosh. More highlight. A corrector palette. The primer. What is this? Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. Whoa, what? I'm excited to try that. Some mascara. This is another cheek tint. Yes. Setting spray, matte finish setting spray, and ooh, some bronzer. More bronzer. And some more bronzer. Wow. California Beamin' bronzers. This one is heavy and it's again labeled face. This feels like foundation. Oh no, I'm gonna cry again. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Okay, there's a NYX Bear With Me tinted skin veil in like probably every shade. Holy crap. How many times did I say oh my gosh in this video? There's like every shade of the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I have one of these foundations and it's freaking bomb. I do makeup on clients as well, so this is really helpful and I appreciate this so much. Wow. Okay, next up is tools. So let's see. Okay, oh. Okay, so in here there's a bunch of brushes. Yes. With all these brushes. So cool. And we got, ooh, a beauty sponge. I haven't tried their beauty sponge yet. I'm excited for that. We got a pencil sharpener and some more face wipes. Next is specialty. Oh my gosh, I'm excited for this one. Oh my goodness. I am so excited to try these. These are their SFX cream colors. in a bunch of shades. I've been wanting to try these so bad and I haven't tried them. So this is so exciting. We have an SFX set. Dope. This is an essential to set your face. What is this? Pigment primer. Ooh, okay. We got some glitter, little quad palettes, super freaking cute. And then we have a bunch of loose glitters. A bunch. Wow. Okay, this one says eyes. The first thing I see are eyelashes. I never tried the NYX eyelashes, so that's pretty cool. We got a bunch of eyebrow pencils. That's exciting. And we have some Vivid Bright eyeliners and an Epic ink liner as well. We have some jumbo eye pencils. These are bomb. The white one is so essential. Like, if you don't have this in your kit, you need it. Eyebrow gel. Okay. And then we have, ooh, this is so cool. Their Modern Dreamer palette. This is really cool. It has a lot of colors. Still excited to try this out as well. Eye and eyebrow pencils in different colors. This is the last one. It's a lips. Let's see. The Filler Instant Plumping Lip Polish. These are super cute. Wow. There's a bunch of lip lingeries. These are so good as well. I love these. There's a bunch of soft matte lip creams right here. Glitter Goals liquid lipstick. That's pretty. There's another 3 right there. This one. And another one. These are so pretty. I'm excited to try all these out. And then we have some of their Powder Puff Lippies that look like that. Got a few more of those right here. I'm gonna organize all this to look all cute so you guys can see more up close each and every product. Thank you so much, NYX Professional Makeup, Vichy, and Target, so much for sending all these amazing products to me. I am so happy and thankful to be in the top 30. The first challenge is going to be announced on Monday, and each of the 30 contestants is going to do a look based off the theme of the challenge, and after that there's going to be public voting. So if you guys want to see me go forward in this competition, make sure to vote. Whatever happens, I'm just happy I got this far. I'm super proud of this and thankful and honored and humbled. This really does mean a lot to me. I hope you enjoyed watching this and hanging out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.